Hey Denny, just pulled the car outside, or one of our porters did. Wanted to make you a quick video of it. I know you asked about PPF, and it does. So front bumpers got it, rear quarter panels have it, headlights have it, still in right there. Hood's got it, doors got it, A-pillars got it, and it looks like the roof does not. Full rear quarter panels have it. Trunk lid does not, rear quarter panels do. Rear bumper also has it. So, lots of PPF on there. Basically everything minus the hood. And this exhaust is silly loud. So go ahead and fire it up too. It sounds so good. Nuts warmed up a little bit. It sounds awesome, man. I'll shoot this video over to you and we'll talk soon.